Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2026 Cadillac CT4? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2026 Cadillac CT4 houses fuses and relays that protect critical components like the engine, cooling fans, ABS, and lighting systems. It ensures safe power distribution and prevents damage from electrical overloads. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2026 Cadillac CT4 protects interior electrical features such as the infotainment system, climate control, power windows, and interior lighting. It helps maintain reliable operation and prevents short circuits or overloads inside the cabin. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box in the 2026 Cadillac CT4 controls and protects electrical systems located at the back of the vehicle, such as the rear lights, trunk release, and rear power outlets. It ensures safe and reliable operation of these rear-end features. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.